Okay, YouTube, so Paul Bates and Daisy here, day 24, stock market down, crypto's up, keto's still on hold. Morning video, walk with Daisy, all pretty standard stuff. Where it gets exciting here is we did receive our stimulus check. I got two things from the stimulus check. I got stimulated, all right. I got stimulated because my wife is pissed off at Paul Bates. I can tell you that right now. Anyway, I took my stimulus. I bought all Bitcoin, $2,400 worth of Bitcoin. I went into my Coinbase account and just hit the buy button and spent it all right there on Bitcoin. She wasn't happy about that. She said, I want a couple $100. I go, for what? You can't even go anywhere or spend it. Anyway, so that's what I did with my Bitcoin. Also, I went to the foot doctor yesterday, and I'm going to need surgery on my foot, and that surgery is about a 6 weeks recovery time, so this could be a great time. But because of the COVID-19, I'm not allowed to do the surgery, and then I'm on a long list after that, so I'm not sure how that's all going to work out, but it's part of this blog. It's part of what we're doing and how we're surviving and what happens in our daily life. I mean, so that's a situation I have to deal with. I have to live with the pain in my foot, and there's nothing I can do about it. Until they lift it up, and then I got to go back to work, and then it's 6 weeks of recovery time, and he said it's 2 weeks on your back with your foot hoisted in the air, so it's pretty extensive surgery. Not extensive surgery, I don't think, but it's extensive recovery time. So anyway, we'll see how all that plays out. Anyway, I did move some money from the sale of the UTV into the market. I put $2,000 into stocks, but I haven't bought anything yet. It's just sitting there. And then crypto, I did buy Ethereum in my cryptos. I went and checked out MeMa yesterday, and they're doing great. I was able to go out on they were able to come out on the back balcony and talk to me, and that was very cool seeing them. And then I went into the building there, and we asked the nurse, and she went and got their dog for me, Chole. You see Chole here go for a little walk, and I was able to take Chole for a nice walk. So that was great, and there's a lot of stuff, emotions and stuff that go on about that. I hope everything works out, but now that we have COVID-19 inside the facility, I mean, we're just hoping for the best right now. That's all we can do. That's all we all have as Americans, is hope. Anyway, Paul Bates, Daisy, I'm going to keep this as short as possible. It's an extremely busy day yesterday. We're getting ready for a small camp trip, maybe just an overnight, just to clear our heads and talk about our future and what's going to happen here. A lot of stuff going on. I saw legislation yesterday proposed to Congress they're going to print $2,000 a month for every American. Whew, can you imagine that? I mean, where this world is going is absolutely crazy. It's been tried in other economies. It didn't work so well, but we'll see. We'll see what happens here. People much smarter than me out there, I can tell you that. Anyway, Paul Bates, Daisy, we love you guys. Peace out. Be good out there. Tomorrow I've got a lot going on. I'm going to try and make a run to Costco. Anyway, love you guys. Peace out. Bye.